you had your electrical panel inspected lately? I'm willing to bet the answer is no. But your home's electrical panel is the heart of your electrical system, controlling everything from lights to appliances. Regular inspections are crucial for your comfort and your safety. Today, we're here with Britt Jones, electrical supervisor of Estes Services. So, Britt, why should a homeowner consider replacing their electrical panel?
Well, Jen, as you stated, there's a lot of things that cause our home's electrical system to not be able to support the things that are of demand, so car chargers and things like that. So electrical systems aren't as efficient as they used to be when our homes were built.
And what are some of those signs that a homeowner would see that the electrical panel actually needs to be replaced?
So things like flickering lights, breakers that are tripping, if you smell any burning odors, those are good signs that the panel would need to be replaced. The other part of it is if you see rust or oxidation around the panel, that would be another indication that you would need to get us out to take a look at it.
And what about panels being out of date? How would you know if yours is up to speed?
The lifespan of a panel is typically 20 to 30 years. So what we typically would look like is anything over that we would want to inspect to see how it's performing from an efficiency standpoint, and also if it's meeting current code and safety requirements.
What would be some other benefits of replacing your electrical panel?
There's the efficiency standpoint. So newer panels are going to be more efficient. It's going to be able to save you money. It's also going to give you the capabilities to increase things such as if you were wanting to add car chargers and things like that as well.
That's really great information. I understand you have an offer for our viewers today.
We do. So one of the things that we're offering is for any customer that calls in or goes to estsair.com, we are offering a free panel inspection as well.
That's great. Thank you so much for being here, Britt.
Absolutely.